Hello friends, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. If you are new in my YouTube channel, if you are smart, you are intelligent, then don't forget to subscribe and don't forget press in the bell icon, it will help you to make more intelligent. Today we will talk about how to install Android app in Windows or Mac laptop PC without any emulator. It will work 100%. I am sure that you will follow all the steps given in video. So without any late, let's begin our video. First of all, you have to go in appetize.io. You have to sign up there in free of cost. You should not pay a single penny to use this service. After signing up, you have to log in. Then you will get your dashboard inside the website. Now you have to upload your application, which has app extension. Without any delay, you have to upload your app file on this website from the upload menu. Then the app will start to uploading. Wait until the app uploading finished. After finished uploading, you have to click in View menu. Then you have to wait until get the Android mobile screen open. After this, you have to tap inside the screen. Now it will start. I am giving you the website link in video description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are smart guy, don't forget to subscribe. If you are intelligent, press the bell icon. It will help you to make more intelligent. This much for today. I will meet you with another video. Goodbye.